Do you find it hard to disagree with someone confidently? I'm a confidence coach. Stay with me for less than 1.5 minutes. I have something you will find it interesting. First, listen actively to the other person's point of view before you disagree. Make sure you fully understand what they are saying. This shows respect and helps you to come out with accurate and good response. Second, express your disagreement respectfully. Use I statements to express your opinion. For example, you can say, I understand your point, but I see it differently because ... This personalizes your response without directly attacking the other person's view. Third, provide reasons for your viewpoint. Clearly explain the logic and experiences that lead you to your conclusion. Giving reasons shows that your disagreement is thoughtful and not just disagreement. It also helps the other person to understand your perspective, even if they don't agree with it. Lastly, be open to continue the conversation. After stating your disagreement, this shows you value and respect their opinion. Stay tuned for more.